beside the Goshen Sports Complex, you know, St. Elizabeth. So apparently a tree fell from over the complex, blocking the road. So go wheel up, find the next route. So the detour comes back out here, bypassing the Goshen Sports Complex. So road again. Inside St. Elizabeth, as you can see the destruction. There are many houses that have lost roof, many trees are down, light wires, like electrical poles have been damaged as well. So a lot of cleaning up currently taking place. We're trying to make our way to southern St. Elizabeth, places like Southfield and Flaggerman and Treasure Beach, where I'm learning that the devastation is significant. So you see how best we can reach, how far we can reach and stuff. So as you can see, it's whilst there's a driving lane, it is still slow going. There's a lot of the branches and trees are still in the road, but you know, we still give thanks to the driving lane where the residents would have created. You hear the sensors on the vehicle screaming because of how close some of these things are. But so yeah, JP still have a lot of work to do. NWA, a lot of work to do, I guess, with community members and citizens as well. And one of the light poles here, like I've seen so many houses without roof on our way so far. I think we are still in mountainside, heading further south. Looking at a number of houses here where the roof has disappeared again. Yeah, very rough. Crap. Let's mash up the drone. For the most part, it's very drivable. A lot of people, because there's a lot of power activity clearing, fallen trees still taking place, people picking up zinc and stuff and other roofing material. So yeah, there is a greenhouse over there, so that was totally destroyed. Seeing again, this looked like it was probably a shock. It has lost its roofing, probably most of the structure as well. Some cleaning up taking place. Some generator running here. Heading to, well, we are Black River to Pedro Cross Main Road, passing Newell now, heading to Flaggerman, I suppose. So yeah, the evidence is clear that this was a bumpy ride in these parts. A lot of trees uprooted or further south you go, the more evident the impact of the system is. Many more light poles on. I counted about 6 to 7 there. So this JVS will have a lot of work on this side. We'll continue to head south. Breeze is strong. Looking up on I think yeah, so this is a, I guess it's a cell site, so they probably lost power, so I guess probably that's why the connection down here is so sketchy and yeah, it's coming up again on another building up the top that has lost its roof almost totally. But so I go on to stop. Wind is very strong too. So this house has lost its roof completely to the right. So another house up there, so that has lost its roof. So I guess a lot of the zinc from this, a lot of the roofing from here ended up on top of this light pole here, wrapped around. Yep. Just to give you an idea of what the wind is like. See another house that the roof has gone. Another house over there, roof has gone again. It's crazy. Somebody up there doing light pole broken, concrete light pole broken. See, electricity is here. Sure. Still in Flagaman, I'm trying to reach Southfield, so, but the navigation is kind of sketchy too, because as you can see on there, there's a house around there with the roof gone. I mean, just see that too. Roof gone again there, so. looks like Flagaman heard that this area was severely affected. Yes, we see the road is in good condition. The surface of the road, there are some trees. It's a big old fire. Nice place still. So almost over the side, getting the roof gone. Rocky road. The houses are very nice, most of them. Beside it, most of the roof totally destroyed. Oh, thanks. Take this up. Hill to the right. This is Southfield Extension Air Office, so that is a RADA building. Look over here, so again, roof destroyed. Here, so roof destroyed. What our buildings these were, but that is it. Were not existing anymore. The building over here, so Hill, St. Elizabeth. Gospel Chapel, founded in 1960. Well, we'll have to do some refurbishing soon. No roof. Disappear. What was there disappears still. Some of these light poles are extreme hazards at the moment, but you know, I guess it's still early days, so everything will take a little time. House up on the hill in front. Most of the roof gone. You can just imagine the type of winds they would have experienced, you know, just being here now, and the type of wind that is here a regular day. Treasure View Restaurant. It's not even a house, it's a restaurant and bar. Oh. Treasure View. Really a Treasure View for still. But watch them back. blessings, uncle.
Man, chance and go on, just watch you up. That's good, alright.
Yeah, man, man. Cock up is at 10. It's a nice, my housing scheme around here, so. Nice gate, but a housing scheme over the near to you see in the future. I wouldn't trust it. Nobody love them sea view. Color jungle and harbor view. There's a structure to the right. No idea of who. Jamala? Nah, here. Oh, is that school? Hold on.
Roof and everything, man.
Hold on. Oh, that's school. Which school is this? St. Peter's. Well, so we're in Pedro Plains. So this is Pedro Plains. This looks like it's a school. I'm not sure what type of school it is. Must be probably a primary or all-age school. Most of the roof has disappeared. Trees fallen. Pedro Plains primary school. So they have a lot of stuff to do in terms of recovery. Disappear. Don't know if this is piece of it. So yeah, zinc wrapped up around light poles and stuff. So there's a building here where the roof has been peeled back from the front. Treasure, what is this? Treasured Roses Grocery, Pastry and Variety Shop. Part of the roofing has gone. A lot of roofing material, a lot of zinc being strewn along the roadway, the driveway. Kind of dangerous because the wind is still relatively strong and some of these may become projectiles and missiles again. So, yeah. So seeing a lot of, well, mostly JLP paraphernalia, but seeing some PNP. Well, the JLP and PNP will have to come together to fix the place. That house over there has lost sections of its roof as well.
Reaching there first set.
Broken light poles, two of them right here. These are mostly cable and telephone wires. The GPS wires are still intact for the most part. A lot of fallen trees here in some places. No, very nice houses. It is very good. Treasure Beach, brother. So this is the police station. So this is the view heading down into Treasure Beach. I'm hearing that you can see that this area will be vulnerable for a system close to the coastline. And I guess probably when the system was passing here, it was so close that the eye wall or ears of the eye wall would have interacted with the coastal area in Treasure Beach, so I'm hearing that the construction here is very serious. So we'll see. The road, there's a driving lane, but still a lot of trees in the road. These will be cleared over time. I'm seeing a roof. They're putting tarpaulin on it. Apparently, the roof went, so I guess they have to sleep tonight. Funnily, I've never been to Treasure Beach all these years.
You come from where, see?
I couldn't tell you, brother. Breadfruit tree uprooted. Building to the left out there, the roof has gone. The roof is gone, like whole block in the road there. Another building, no roof, another building, no roof. No roof. School, not the infant school itself, but a video, not a video, a building beside. No roof, absolutely zero roofing. So, yeah. This one gone, so flooding. This destruction here. Roof gone. have taken place. I'm coming up on a building down here, so on a roof as well. See, on a roof. That's a shot. Light pole down. Not surprising at all. Behind the bar, small like a guest house of sorts. Yes, sir. Church kept. Oh, roof of the church. You don't run from the back over there, sir. No roof over there, sir, again. Yes, sir. So over there, sir, again. May I get internet? Mhm. I don't know what this is. Destroy. Sir,
It's like
destruction is real. This building to the right, no roof. Buildings over here, no roof. Gotcha, sir. May I pray MPs? I don't even know. Security detail D. See now. bar. Oh, spread that. Yeah, man. Nice piece of land. So I'm not sure if I've been a video. I'll probably say I drive too fast, but I'm sure. So. People aren't really so stressed, brother. My people in a situation. Even if one of them man in on the roof, my man goes to sit down and stress himself. Yeah, man, 2-6 love and long. Awesome.